guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video, and for today's vlog, I'm gonna be showing you some of the variegated plants that are so easy to keep and hindi ganon kamahal. Cause if you are like me who can't afford variegated black cardinal and variegated bulete in just a snap, then we can settle for these type of variegated plants. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe. Tap nyo na din yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo whenever we upload a new video. And if you are ready, let's begin! So for our very first plant, we have here our Philodendron Birkin. So Philodendron Birkin is also a variegated philodendron, guys, and it is not as expensive as those variegated plants that we see. So dati kasi nung bagong labas to, merong mga tag 3.5 yata nito, and they're even more expensive than that price that I have mentioned. But ngayon marami na pong mura dito. Pero dun sa mga leaves nito na almost nag-green na. So, ito mga older leaves niya. Meron talagang mag-turn into green na. But, mas marami yata yung iba. Kapag hindi naiinitan, guys, they will lose the pinstripes that they have. But, look at the newest one. So, ito yung pinakabago niya. Medyo meron pa nga siyang marami pa yung mga white niya. Kasi, guys, if they lack exposure or enough amount ng sunlight na hindi nila nakukuha, they will really turn green. And once they mature, sobrang kapal nila, guys. Parang mga cardboard na ata yung mga leaves na ganun. Ito yung pinakamakapal niya na leaf. This is actually the oldest leaf na meron siya. And medyo textured yung leaf niya. So yung mga white na yan, may texture siya, guys. So this is the Philodendron Birkin. And if you are planning to get some variegated plants, might as well consider this one. So, merong mga nagsasabi na sensitive siya. Yes, it's right. Pero, if you were able to get a climate Birkin, when we say a climate, yung mga seasoned na and sanay na sa kung anong klima meron tayo, then you'll really have a good one. For this, eto, diba, sobrang lush niya. So, this is something that you can consider when you are counting for some variegated plants. So let's move on to the next. We have here our variegated alocasia, guys. And variegated alocasia isn't really that hard to keep, guys. Alam ko, nung maliit pa siya, kasi as I have mentioned on the past vlogs, and meron na din kaming vlog about this, parang sobrang liit nga niya, guys. 5 peso coin lang yung size niya. And this was worth 350 pesos or 250 pesos at that time. Pero akala ko mamamatay siya kasi kapag nasobrahan naman sila sa tubig, guys, especially kapag na-expose sila sa rain, hindi nila ganun kagusto yun. Even if they have draining potting mix, they still wanna be placed somewhere na hindi naman ganun ka-expose or hindi sila ganun nauulanan. But, nung nilipat namin, kasi nakalagay siya doon before, and dyan sa area na yan, kapag umuulan talagang basang-basa lahat ng plants na yan. And nung time na yon parang ayaw niya. So, akala ko hindi na siya magsusurvive. We just transferred it somewhere. Dito sa ilalim ng bangga, merong mga nakakover sa kanya. So, dito siya nakalagay before. So, parang nagustuhan niya, guys, and that's the reason why lumaki. So, you already have the idea when you get a smaller version of this or parang yung mga maliliit na ganito, it would be easy for you na alagaan sila kasi alam nyo na hindi nila gusto yung super grabing ulan. Kasi their stem are also watery, guys, and look at the stem. Even the stem is variegated and super bilis niyang lumaki. So, hindi ko namamalayan ganito na siya kalaki ngayon. So, buyag-buyag-buyag. Or the small variegated alocasia can't hold a lot of leaves. So, huwag kayong magtaka, maliit pa yung ganito nyo and then biglang naglalagas yung dahon, biglang isa lang yung dahon or dalawa lang. Kasi eventually, they will grow more leaves, guys, if they have bigger stems na. Kapag lumalaki na rin yung stems nila, enough na rin para makapag-hold ng mas maraming leaves. But while they are still young, they really can't hold a lot, guys. So, patience lang. And eventually, talagang lalaki po sila. So, this is one of the easiest plants to keep. So, this is our variegated alocasia. Let's move on to the next. So what I have here is a baby variegated peace lily. So peace lilies guys are really easy to keep. Meron akong nakikitang ganito na malalaki, but for this one maliit pa kasi itong sa amin, and I'm looking forward to give you an update in the future once it will grow na. Merong mga neighbors dito na merong ganito and super laki na lang kanila. So, madali lang silang alagaan guys and hindi sila ganun ka-sensitive. Hindi rin sila expensive. So, you can count this if you are aiming to collect some variegated plants. Then, go for a variegated peace lily. I also have here the variegated tea plant. There are a lot of tea plants of different variegations, guys. So, iba-iba yung kulay. And I'm trying to collect some. Meron akong 3 variegated tea plants dito. But this is the sample that I can show you for now. So, ipapakita ko sila in the near future if you are interested. So, ito siya. Variegated tea plants. I cannot describe. Meron silang iba-ibang pangalan according to the variegations, guys. So, this is the only one that I can show you for now. So I also have here the variegated Sea Hibiscus. I'm really not sure guys if all of the Sea Hibiscus are variegated, but this is such a beautiful one. So look at the color, meron pa siyang pink. There are a few variegations na kulay pink, meron din white, and also we can see some green. I do not know if it's the green that is dominant or really the white, kasi mas makikita ako na sobrang dami ng mga white niya guys. Super easy lang siya alagaan, and if you will put it in the soil, it will eventually grow into a tree. So this is something that is really easy to keep and sobrang ganda, so sobrang pleasing sa mata. But guys, narinig ko merong nagkaganito before, pero lapitin daw sila ng mga uod. So luckily, etong nandito sa amin, wala po siyang ganon. Wala siyang peste na nandito. So, sobra buyag-buyag. Nakakatakot naman yun. So, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. May papalabas siyang bagong leaf and it's already pink. I do not know if the new ones, it's the new ones or the old ones that will really turn pink. So, bago lang kasi ito sa amin eh. So, ayan, i-close up natin. So, guys, for me, it isn't really just pink. Parang, I do not know, it can't focus. Parang meron siyang pagka-maroon na may red. Meron din siyang pink. So, sobrang dami ng kulay na meron siya, guys. So, I suggest you try to get one for yourself. This is really a beautiful one. I forgot how much did I get it for. So, basta mura lang to, guys. It didn't even reach 500. Parang 250. I do not know. Pero kung may vlog ako before na na-mention ko to, basta super mura lang nito. So, papakita ko ha. For Birkins, guys, I got this for like 1,500. But, sobrang dami na ng mura ngayon kasi nung nabili namin to, parang nung time pa na maraming Birkin ang nagsisilabasan and 1,500 is the lowest. Pero ngayon, makakabili ka ng Birkin for just 450. And Ma'am Zinen of Brilliant Green even mentioned na merong 200 peso Birkin na nandun sa Brilliant Green Garden. So, syempre maliit pa yung 200. But for just 200 pesos and you can get a Birkin, then that's really a good deal. So, for this one, medyo mahal-mahal pa siya, but you can get a lot of Birkins for a very much lower price, yung mga hindi na umaabot ng 500. So, meron na yun ngayon. So, ito, it's worth 250 or 350. Parang 5 peso coin lang yung size ng leaf niya, but this is super big now. So we don't have 5 peso coin, but we have this old 1 peso coin, which is very much bigger when you compare it to the 5 peso coin. So tingnan nyo yung itsura and yung difference ng size nila. After few months na hindi naman masyadong inalagaan, so inilagay lang dito sa ilalim ng milyona. So ganito, super laki ng improvement niya, guys. So, murang-mura na siya for that amount that I bought it for. Kasi yung mga lalaking ganito, guys, sobrang mahal nila, as in thousands na. Pero, ito, mura lang yung nabili. As what I have mentioned on that vlog, kung hindi naman natin kaya yung malaki na, then we can opt for the small one. It's in the joy is in how you can make it and how you can watch it grow. So, the journey of how it will grow with you, that really matters. As a plantita, as a plant parent, so ganun yun. So, this variegated tea plant is just for free. I got it for free, guys. Variegated peace lily is just 50 pesos. So, we also have this variegated dumpkin. So, dumpkins, guys, sobrang dali nilang alagaan and sobrang bilis nilang dumami. Nung binigay nga sa akin to, parang one stem lang na wala ngang dahon kahit konti. Parang 2 inches lang yata yung laki and pa because I really love it, guys. Kasi yung mother plant na nakita ko nito, yung other half niya is yellow while the other half is green. So I really loved it. But for this one, parang patches yung kulay yun ng variegation niya. Hindi yung parang full na sa magkabila talaga yung iba, magkaiba yung kulay. But still, I love it. And I really love that lumaki na siya ngayon. Sobrang laki na niya compared to just one slice na stem nito na ibinigay before. So this is such a beautiful dumpkin na meron kami. I forgot about the name. Is it dolphin? You may comment it down below. If you are into variegated plants as well, then might as well consider this variegated dumpkin. We also have the Enjoy Pothos, guys. Yung malalaki nito, sobrang ganda talaga. Parang albo na monstera na parang I really can't explain. But this is such a dwarf one. But if you have those big ones na variegated din kasi ito na pothos, guys. I do not know if all pothos are variegated, but this Enjoy Pothos is so nice, especially yung mga giant niya, guys. So, ayan. Sobrang mura lang nito. Not really that expensive. Meron ding Marble Queen Pothos, guys. Mga neon pothos. They are also variegated. And pothos is such a lucky plant as well. So, might as well add them in your collection. So, I have here the last one. So, this is such an amazing plant, guys. So, this is the variegated Japanese bamboo, also known as the golden dust. Kasi kayang-kaya niyang labanan yung init. So, nung nakuha ko to, medyo wala siyang gaanong soil. So, we repotted it. We transferred it to another pot, which is a concrete pot. And inilagay lang namin siya sa labas. Pero guys, kahit naiinitan siya, kahit even 12 noon, nasa gitna siya ng init, it really can endure, guys, the heat of the sun. So, I really love it. Nagkakaroon pa rin siya ng mga bagong dahon kahit sobrang init. And I'm just afraid ngayon na summer na, sana naman hindi maapektuhan. Kahit sobrang season siya under the sun, I do hope that summer sun will not affect the growth of this variegated Japanese bamboo. So, ayun guys, we are almost done with all of the variegated plants na meron kami. Actually, hindi lang ito yung variegated plants na meron kami, but ito yung maipapakita ko sa inyo na maire-recommend ko na sobrang mura lang and kayang-kaya lang sa budget nyo na mga variegated plants just in case you want to collect some or you want to add a lot of variegated plants in your collection. So guys, thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, tap nyo na din yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!